So today I'm going to be working on a little bit of beautification around my house. So that means that I need to get the best deals I can on plants. Now again, everything costs and everything has a benefit. The biggest question for all of us is to figure out whether the cost is worth the benefit. And so I'm going to be going out now and be heading over to Walmart. Yesterday I was at Walmart just picking up a few necessities, and I noticed that they had marked down their mulch to $2.49 a bag. I'm hoping they still have some, so I'm going to go over there now, and then I'm going to come back with not only enough for this season, but probably enough for next season, an extra 15 bags or so. So anyway, thanks for coming along on the journey. Get it in close using my fancy schmancy backup camera. Oh, thing's too low. Now I know this makes compelling video. Let's go to Walmart. Try not to hit anything on the way. See if we can find some great opportunities at Walmart. People like to make fun of Walmart and then they go to Walmart incognito.
Here we are. 3, 2, 1.